In this video, we'll dive into Dashlane's Business Password Manager. We'll explore its features, user experience, and what sets it apart. Check the description for product links if you're ready to give it a try. Dashlane prioritizes business security and simplicity, designed for teams of any size needing secure password management, centralized control, and seamless teamwork. It offers advanced encryption, secure sharing, and role-based access, ideal for small businesses and large enterprises. A key feature is secure storage for employee, client, and vendor passwords in a single vault. Dashlane's automated password generator and health dashboard reinforce strong security, minimizing breach risks. It also includes a VPN for remote work privacy and dark web monitoring for compromised credentials. The clean interface ensures quick team onboarding. The admin dashboard offers full control over password policies with real-time alerts for suspicious activity. Dashlane integrates with single sign-on and popular enterprise tools, streamlining workflows. Flexible pricing scales with your business needs based on user count and features. Setup is simple, requiring minimal employee training. It's a solid choice for any business bolstering password security. Dashlane delivers a powerful blend of security, simplicity, and scalability, streamlining password management. Don't forget to check the description for more details.